Here I am closing my eyes again, trying so hard not to see all the things that I see, almost willing to lie again. Swear that it just isn't so, just isn't me. We are never alone, even though we like to be. Then I go and open my eyes again. Love is in your eyes, is the things that I almost like to see. I'd be willing to die again, to know the place and the time that he always will be, to be always with you, and you're always with me. This is my autograph, here in the song that I sing, here in my cry and my laugh, here in the love that I bring, to be always with you, and you always with me. Hmm. Silimpan nga, ako liberano. Hmm. Kay, kanta daw ako sa kanta.
Kay what?
Say a prayer and open my heart again. You are the love and the light that we all need to see, always willing to shine, and then peace on the earth is the way that it always can be, to be always with you, you always with me. This is my autograph, here in the song that I sing, here in my cry and my life, here in the love that I bring, to be always with you, and you're always with me. Let's try another song. Oops. Speechless. You got a friend, I need you. Time of my life. Hard to stand both in the river. Mine ever forever. Song, song for you. Oh, song for you. Let's try Elton John karaoke songs. Elton John karaoke songs. Let's try Can You Feel the Love Tonight? There's a calm surrender to the rush of day, when the heat of a rolling wind can be turned away. An enchanted moment, see me through. It's enough for this restless warrior just to be with you. Can you feel the love tonight? It is where we are. It's enough for this wide-eyed wanderer that we get so far. And can you feel the love tonight? How it's laid to rest. It's enough to make kings and vagabonds believe the very best. There's a time for everyone, if they only learn that the twisting kaleidoscope move us all in turn. There's a rhyme and reason to the wild outdoor, when the heart of the star-crossed voyager beats the times with yours. And can you feel the love tonight? It is where we are. It's enough for this wild-eyed wanderer that we